Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to create this kind of uh, the team, how to create this kind of widgets on Hoover, and what we shall do at first. So what we are going to do is go to your WP, your WordPress site, go to the dashboard. So once you go to the dashboard, go to plugins. There is a plugin I would like you to install, and here it is. It's called Beta Elementor add-ons. Better after you go and search for Beta Elementor add-ons, install from here. Come here and search for Beta Element add-ons. It is this one here. So after installing it and activating it, go to a page where you need to create it to add the section. Then search for Beta Beta Team. This is the widget we are going to use. So here is the widget. You see, when you hover on it, you can create something similar to this one. So come here, duplicate this to the number you'll need. Like for example, we need here like 4 or 5. Let us set them to 4. Then we can get these images. Let me download these images first. First download these images. So now here we have images. Very easy to make. Sorry. So after downloading your images, come here. So here is the style. You can have different styles. So right now this time we are using style 1. So come here, upload your image. Come to download your images you have downloaded. Upload them. This one is here. Set it there. Here you can change the name, like put here the name, Martin, web developer. Then you can even link here the social medias, add here the icons. Add here the icons. For example, here you can search for Facebook, so that when you hover, it can show you a Facebook icon like this. Then here you can add the link. After that, you update. Come to this one also. Update. So you can change the images according to the way you feel like. So this is how you can create your item. You can even decide to add the padding like that. So you can even work on the mobile responsiveness. Come to this one, it is responsive. Come to this one, 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 is responsive. You can even put it on like this. Put this one to 50. This one also to 50. 50. Then this one is 50. Then now you can reduce the size of the icons. Go there. Then you go to the icons. Then you can have it. Then you can resize everything here. So simple as that. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel if this is helpful to you. Thank you for watching.